Hey everyone, today we are doing a PR haul. I've had some packages, they've been collecting, and I was thinking about it. Instead of doing individual videos, we're just going to do one video altogether, so let's go ahead and jump in. The first package that I got is from Pur Lisse. I happen to love my family over at Pur Lisse, and I got to hang out with them at Generation Beauty New York, which was wonderful. And in fact, so what was it, 2 days ago was Halloween, and I went to a coffee shop. I was meeting up with a friend, and all of the coffee baristas, I'm gonna insert a picture because it was so cute. They were dressed like Power Rangers, and so I had to actually message Jen and be like, oh, these Power Rangers want to have a word with Viper outside. Can you help? And she sent back the sweetest little message. You know, she's like, tell them, destroy them all, but happy Halloween. So I thought that was really cute. So, oh, I'm a little late, but it says, hey, Beautiful, Pur Lisse has a treat for you. Ooh, okay, I'm so excited. I don't know what is in here, so we've got a couple of pamphlets here. Oh, you know what? Oh, this is great. I have both of these products, and I love both of these products. This is the Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask, and one of the reasons I like this one is because it only requires 10 minutes. You don't have to sit there for a super long time, so if you're a woman on the go, it's great. You can totally still get all the benefits, and you don't have to be doing that forever. And then this is the 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk, which is so funny because I literally just ran out of one, and you're going to see it because I'm filming an empties video soon, so you will see I have an empties of this. So this is really great. It's great for cleaning brushes. It's gentle for removing makeup. I actually like it a lot because it doesn't strip or, you know, make my skin feel super dry. So thank you so much to Pur Lisse. I really appreciate you guys sending this over, and I am very excited to have these, so thank you very much. I feel like it's kind of like a reunion because a few of these companies I actually did get to see at Gen Beauty in New York, and I got to say like, oh, thank you so much, and just, you know, continue to see these people. It's like they're friends now. But let's see. So this one is from Derma E. Ooh, exciting. You know what's funny is I think that they do like a rotating schedule, so I haven't gotten anything from them in probably like 3 or 4 months. So I think they just have a lot of people that they're trying to rotate through. So I don't think everyone gets something every month. Hello, pumpkin. And let's see here, say hello to Beautiful Skin. Oh, that's kind of very similar, right? So no tricks, just treats. Ooh, okay, so in here, scare away all signs of aging with this month's box. Age-proof your eyes with our firming Derma E Eye Lift. Okay, where is this? Ooh, okay, so that must be this. DMAE Eye Lift. Maybe that's not Derma. Okay, so let's take... This is a multi-action eye cream that helps smooth and revive delicate eye area with advanced peptides and collagen moisturizer. So it comes in a little squeezy tube like this. That is really cool. Thank you so much. I'm always on the hunt for a really nice eye cream because I like to keep this area really hydrated, so it helps with not creasing your under eyes. Okay, and this is the Derma E Advanced Peptides Collagen Moisturizer. Oh, this is great because I know that I have like one of those serums like in the tall skinny bottles they have of, I think, this line, and I actually really like it. And so I'm excited to try this. Let me see what they say about this. It says, double action peptide cream that visibly softens and smooths the appearance of the deepest wrinkles. So thank you so much, Derma E. I really love their products. You can find them at Whole Foods and on their website. And I love that they're also in Whole Foods because it's such a stringent requirement to all of the things that you have to be free of and chemical free of. And so they all have that. So, you know, like you see it on the side, it's like cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, recyclable with wind energy creating it. So you can also feel good. And it doesn't break the bank. So I love that about Derma E. Thank you so much, Derma E, for sending over these awesome treats. I'm excited to try them. Next up is Pixie. And actually, I didn't think I was going to get this package because I saw a whole bunch of people post about this online in one of the beauty forums I'm in. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's such a cute package. But that was a month or more ago. And I thought, oh, well, you know, if I haven't seen it, then I'm not getting it. But actually, it came just a few days later. So that is awesome. Okay, how do I open it? Again, be smarter than the box. I have to say, they always have the cutest, they always have the cutest little PR packages, and this is no exception. So, oh, it matches my shirt. It says, what color will you create? And what I love about it, and it looks like a little envelope, like a mailing envelope, you know, with their address here. Actually, it has their real address here. It says a special delivery just for you, and it has like the cute little like stamp and everything. But you open it, looks like a letter here. Okay, oh, okay, I'm gonna try. Oh, sweet. Okay, so it has a return envelope in this particular package, and there's a reason for that is because they have these pigments on top. What they want for you to do is make your own custom color with some of the like base pigments that they've given you, and you can use a little spatula, you scoop it into like a jar, and you mail it back to them, and then I think there's going to be a lucky winner that actually gets to have that color made, which is amazing. But this is so cool. I love their Matte Last Liquid Lip formula. I'm actually wearing it right now, and it's not too drying. The only gripe I've ever had with it is I think the wand and like the little doe foot applicator is a little too bendy, but I still love it. And the colors are great. It's not too drying. These colors are so beautiful. And now I have all of them, and I could not be more excited about this. This is blowing my mind. Had they just sent this is just like, oh, it's so cool. But then to actually make your own color too, I can't say enough good things about this. So yeah, I have to send, when do I have to send this in? By December 31st. Ooh, so it's a Christmas. Okay. Oh, and it says, I would love for you to mix your dream color and name it. And you get to name it. And it says, I'm excited to see what you create. XO Petra. Oh, this is so cool. Thank you so much to Pixie. It's just, oh, amazing. I love this one. I love Pixie, and I think you can't see it right now, but like even over here, the last two PR packages that I have, I still have all the packaging, the boxes. I love them so much. Yeah, I can't say enough good things. So thank you so much to Pixie for sending this over. Really excited. Okay, so this one is from DKOS, and actually, this is from my friend who I met at Gen Beauty in San Francisco, so like a year and a half ago. So this is me telling you, you have to go to some of these beauty events because that's where some of these relationships start with the brands. And these are, you know, and actually Pur Lisse and Derma and Pixie, these are all brands that I've met like a year and a half ago, and I keep running into them at Gen Beauty. So, and also if you're part of Ipsy OS, which if you're not, you should be, you should apply. I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested in that. But it's a really cool thing because they'll have like a really great Facebook forum, and they put on Gen Beauty, and they have, you know, discounted tickets for members. So I'm sorry, it's really loud, but I definitely think it's worth signing up. It's a great group of girls in there, and I love hanging out with them and talking with them. And we always get really excited when someone gets like, you know, a PR package or anything like that. And it's fun to celebrate with your girlfriends. And you know, when you get 2,000 other beauty makeup loving people all together. So I'm gonna toss this over here. Okay, so I have no idea what's in here. Let's open this. But this is from my friend Claire, and she is over at, she used to be with Sue, and Sue has just a special spot in my heart. If you go back and look at my Instagram from a million years ago, I've said so many nice things about them. They're in a couple of my videos, but I met Claire. She's literally the sweetest. And I ran into her again in New York, and she's moved on to kind of like one of their sister companies, and so she was like, oh my gosh, please let me know if you want to try something. And I gave her like, I was like, oh, maybe a couple of these items. And they sent this package, so I have no idea what they chose for me. Okay. Ooh, okay, so the first thing that they chose was this Clio. It is a cushion foundation. I'm really excited. This is called the Water Grip Essence Packed and has SPF 50, which is great. So all of those brands and everything that they're representing, they are usually Southern Korean, and you can't get them as many places, but you can get them on their website and sometimes in like Ulta and different places. I know Sue is also at like Walmart and Target, but definitely if you're interested in them, you should check them out. So this is called the Nudism. And the next thing in here is called the Ink Velvet, and this is the Heart Fuchsia Pink. And let's see here. I'm trying to remember. Oh, okay, right. So it's kind of like a little dropper bottle, and it has the color pigment in it, and then you can use this lip or cheek. How cool is that? I love multitasking. So that's really exciting. Okay, and this is the, oh, same thing, but in another color. Oh, okay, how cute is this? And this is more in a plum color. I'm sorry I can't really tell you all the names because everything, there's nothing really that's too much in English on here. Oh wait, here we go. This is number 20, Star Plum Pink, and the other one was number 21, which is Heart Fuchsia Pink. And then, ooh, yes. Oh, this is so great. You remember when MAC put out those palettes that kind of look like little cassette tapes and stuff like that? It looked like their company also did something that was kind of similar. So it was called the Play My My. So it looks kind of like a cassette tape like this. How cute is this? Oh, okay. And, oh, look at this. This whole palette kind of gives me vibes of the, like the cherry palette, the Urban Decay cherry palette. So it's got lots of those like cherry, you know, and then a couple of really cute like highlighter colors, and this one is like more of an iridescent with like a flash of gold pink. So I'm really excited about trying these. Thank you so much, and I feel like this would be a good travel palette as well because it's like in that hard plastic case. So I'm really excited to try out this one. And then what is this? Oh, I did ask for this. This was the Prism Air, and I think this was the highlighter. They have a highlighter and they have a blush in this Prism Air formula, and I thought it looked so pretty. How cute is this packaging though, right? It's got this kind of like subway tile, but like in an iridescent color. And like seriously, you can't see it, but it's like wavy textured pattern in here, and it's gold with like a pink shift in it. And oh, I am excited about this. If I had a brush near me right now, I would totally put this on, but I'm really excited to try this. Thank you so much. And then there's one other thing, and it's actually a really large package. It says it's the Wondrous skincare set, and so it's beautiful with all these little like lilies and everything, or whatever flower that is. And let me see here. Ooh, you know what? Some of this I've tried before and I loved it. So the first essence, I love this one, and it smells so good. This and the green tangerine one, they smell so good. But then there's the Moisture Barrier Eye Cream. There's the Vital Sleeping Pack, which I've never tried before. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. And it provides a powerful yet soothing, moisturizing skin cell turnover, improving benefits for skin in addition to delivering antioxidant care while sleeping. Nice. And then there is an emulsion. Is this the spray or is this the, let me see here. No. Okay, so it's actually, I haven't tried this yet then, because there was one other that has a spray that you just put all over. It's like the skin mist. It smells so good. So this is actually one of my favorite lines from them, this and the green tangerine one. So I'm really excited to try these out. Thank you so much to Claire and to Club Cleo for sending over all of this from Goodall and Cleo. I'm super excited. Thank you so, so much. Last but not least, I have 2 packages from Wander Beauty, and it's so nice because when you get to go to these events and put names to faces, I walked up to someone and they said, oh, I was at a dinner. I was at Julia Salvia's dinner. She does a dinner sometimes when you go to these Gen Beauty events because, you know, everyone's hungry after a day of conventioning and networking. And so she'll bring together brands and just different creators and you get to talk to each other. And someone was like, oh yeah, I work at Wander Beauty. And I was like, I know you guys because I Instagram DM'd you and I asked you if I could try one of your foundations and you guys sent it to me and then you sent me some really sweet packages and they're like, oh my gosh, you're Shelly. And I was like, yeah. And it was this fun, amazing moment because they were like, no, we love actually talking to you. And it's like when you think you're so small and these companies don't notice, they totally notice. But it's so funny because when I came home, I got a package from them and then not that long after I got another package from them and I just hadn't had a chance to show them. So I'm going to show both right now, but I'm really excited. This one was the multi-masking must-haves. And I remember that when they released this, I was so excited about it because I even took them out of the pack because I wanted to look at them, but I haven't opened them yet. So there is this extended stay hydrating mask. So it looks like this in this beautiful like raspberry color pack. I love their packaging. It's just always so classy to me. You can get Wander Beauty at Sephora as well as on their own website now. But one of them has this like beautiful raspberry like color, and I was telling them I was mesmerized by watching their channel where they were just like pouring it out of the bottle and spreading it. It was just like, it was so soothing to watch, but I'm so excited to try this one. And then there was another one which I was so excited. This is the Liftoff Purifying and Brightening Peel-Off Mask. I don't know about you, but every time a peel-off mask happens, I'm always like, can I try and get off in one piece? It's like a personal challenge. Oops, it was upside down. But this is that I'm so excited to kind of work in conjunction with each other. And I'm so excited to try both of these. And they're so pretty. So thank you so much to Wander Beauty for this. And what's really funny is of course, I follow Wander Beauty on Instagram. And I saw that they were releasing a new eyeshadow palette, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I'm like, these colors are amazing because they're kind of a more cool tone, which, you know, we see a lot of warm tones right now. I was like, oh, and I remember commenting, I'm like, this is beautiful. And they, you know, of course, they ended up sending it to me, and I was not expecting that, and I'm so excited and I'm so grateful because I was eyeing them. I was eyeing these palettes and they look perfect for traveling. So the first thing that they sent over in this care package, which I thought was just so cute, was this beautiful, like, sweatshirt that says off duty, and I was like, I love this. And it's kind of like in that rose gold color, and it's like super, super soft, and it's perfect for the winter time. I'm totally gonna be wearing this. But on the back, it says Wander Beauty, and I love that because I'm proudly going to be rocking this sweatshirt, and I think it's the cutest, and I love this color. Like, really? Off duty? Right? It's so cute. And here, they sent over a couple things. They were celebrating a couple of these things that are coming out. They're in this new kind of rose gold family. So just like the face mask and everything like that. So they released their baggage claim, their gold mask, but in a rose gold color as well. And I'm sure they probably have maybe some different benefits. But I was super excited about this. So I got a package of these, and they're so beautiful in that like dusty pink color, and I'm so excited to try them because I really like their eye masks because they have that perfect amount of, it's not only just a great shape, but they stay on, so you can be wandering around and wandering around, but you can totally, they don't fall off, and so you can have them on and still be doing your thing, and they're great. And then by the time you just take them off, you throw them in the garbage. It's so simple. So there were 2 different eyeshadow palettes that they sent over. The first one is this one. It's the actual off-duty palette. So the off-duty palette looks like this guy. How beautiful is this? Oh, it's so pretty. This one is more of like a brownie and like corals, and like I just think it's so beautiful. And so it has like a nice mirror here. It's got this cardboard, and these pan sizes are really large, and I think that's such a good like color selection for a travel palette. I think this is beautiful. And a lot of Wander Beauty is, you know, meant for multitasking, on the go, you know, for that busy person, and I love that about them because a lot of that is me. That describes me. And let me see here. The other, I didn't know that they had a second one, but they sent out this other palette, and it's called the Wondrous Chill. So that one was a little bit more of the warm palette. This one is a little bit more of the cooler tone of the same. And I was like, when I was thinking about this too, I was like, oh wow, these are kind of similar, right? If you're looking at both. So would I say that you need to run out and buy both of these? I don't know. It depends. And I really should do all of the color swatching, but like I'm kind of drawn to this one, but I love this one too because it has kind of more of that purple shift in there. So I kind of like both, and it has this pink in here too. It's hard to pick, so I don't know. I would say maybe take a peek at the swatches and then decide which one you want for yourself if you're only going to pick one. But for me, I'm really, really glad that I have both of them and I don't have to choose. And I can take both of them traveling with me because they're both so small, so I love that. Is that everything I wanted to talk about? One last thing before I turn off the camera. There is this little package that I got from Thrive. Thank you so much. It says, she believed she could, so she did. I love this size of this makeup bag because sometimes the ones that you have are way too small, so I love this. So this is Thrive Cosmetics, and I love that they use some of the money, you know, for good causes. So it's usually cosmetics with like C-A-U-S-E. So I love that about them. What they sent over for me are 2 different tester sizes of the cosmetic, what is it? Okay, it's the Buildable Blur CC Cream. So they have 2 different shades here, and I love that. So they have the colors on here so you can see which one really, because, you know, when you're sending out PR packages, like, it doesn't always make sense to send out multiple colors of full size, so I appreciate that they were thinking about this, and I have 2 different colors to try out, and then if I like it, then I can purchase it for myself. They also sent over one of the brand new little Thrive Cosmetic Sponges, so I'm very excited about that because none of us have enough sponges in our life. I'm sure that's usually the case. They're launching the Buildable Blur CC Cream, and it has SPF 35 in it, and it looks like it has quite a few colors on it on the sheet that for information that comes with it. And so the sponge itself, if you were to purchase this, is $18. And then it looks like the It Cosmetics CC creams, kind of in that squeezy tube with probably a pump top, and it looks like it's going to be $38. So let me see if they say how many shades. So when they launch, they will be launching with 18 colors, which is great for a smaller brand to be doing that. So that is wonderful. Okay, now I really do think that's everything that I got in PR. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Would love to have you be part of the squad. And I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye!